Hello sponsors. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the different roles and responsibilities the students will have on your project. Our favorite slide, project team structure slide. In this video, we'll focus on the student squad box in the top left-hand corner. The students will quickly meet after getting their project assignment and asked to determine the squad's leadership. In this case, the two will play the role of product manager, development manager, and squad lead. Let's talk a little bit about the responsibilities of each of these roles. The product manager is a design role responsible for what is being built. They're not the project manager. Remember, project managers deal with schedules, risk mitigation, workload. Product managers deal with the actual product. They maintain conceptual integrity. They are responsible for the product backlog, managing stories, and the story map. They are the keeper of the project vision with the ability to kill features as they discuss with the sponsor each week in sponsor meetings. The development manager is responsible for how the solution is being built. They're responsible for the design integrity, code quality, integration if necessary, any tooling and development processes they may come up with. This role is basically the lead developer, technically competent and a deep understanding of the development tools and framework. The development manager activities include maintaining conceptual integrity of the design, ensuring the code conforms to a high-level design. They review pull requests and control what gets merged into the master branch. Work with the product manager to prioritize features based on design implication, as well as making decisions about tooling, framework, and implementation practices. Now, either the product manager or the development manager will also become the squad lead. The squad lead is one person directly responsible for the overall project and communication. They ensure senior design processes and agile values and practices are applied appropriately and followed by all. The squad lead is the scrum master for the team. They're responsible for setting up all meetings, making sure all relevant parties can attend. Their big role is also communication, the one point of communication between you and the student team. The rest of the squad are developers. They're often cross-functional and self-contained. They set goals and accomplish specific results. They work with the development manager and the product manager to commit to what they feel they can accomplish during the sprint. They manage itself and the workload based on the product manager's requirements and story maps chosen for the sprint. They'll write the test cases and design and implement the code. They're collaborators with the product owner to optimize the value and to demonstrate the work results to the sponsor team. Now, our team, we are in the class, Senior Design is a class within UNL. There are tasks and assignments that we'll ask them to do throughout the year. And it's possible we may ask them to do something for the project from a process perspective that you, as the sponsor, may not see value in. But believe us, there is. 3 times each semester, we go through grading periods. Each grading period, the team is asked to talk about specific behaviors that match with the part of the process that they're in. There are steps and processes that we ask them to do as part of all the projects. You may hear the students discuss these in sponsor meetings. Please feel free to ask any questions about these behaviors or what Senior Design is asking the student team to do besides build out your project.